Just 2 questions. That's all it takes to find the best fit FlightHub solutions for your business. A lot of teams struggle with this. Cloud-based FlightHub 2, FlightHub 2 on-premises, or FlightHub 2 all-in-one. Which one is the right option? Honestly, it comes down to 2 things. How you need to manage data security and how you want to handle server operations. Do you want to simply use the software service or build and manage the service environment yourself? Let's dive in. Question 1. How many resources do you want to spend on IT? If your team doesn't have a dedicated IT staff and you really don't want a headache of setting up private networks and servers, then the cloud-based version is your fast track to automate drone operations. Here are the key benefits of choosing cloud-based FlightHub 2. First, it starts fast. Sign up, find your devices, and welcome to the remote drone operations. Second, less IT work. You don't need to build your own server environment or maintain the backend yourself. DJI handles the cloud infrastructure and platform updates. Third, faster access to the innovation. Features like Copilot and future platform updates are available through the cloud version first. Finally, it also gives you the integration flexibility. With OpenAPI and FlightHub Sync, you can connect FlightHub 2 with your ticketing system, VMS, or other business tool easily. Simply put, if you want to launch quickly, avoid IT headaches, and focus your resources on the actual operations, cloud-based FlightHub 2 is the best starting point. Yes, every version of FlightHub 2 is built to global industry standards. All data transmission and storage follow strict protocols and regulatory oversight. Customers' data is stored regionally on AWS. The platform is certified to ISO 27001 and ISO 27701 by British Standards Institution, and it's trusted by users in over 80 countries and regions. Question 2. Does your data have to stay within your own controlled environment, like an internal network or in a physically isolated environment? If your answer is yes, then the on-premises version is built for you. It deploys right onto your own infrastructure, giving you total control over storage, permissions, and data retention policies. This is ideal for large enterprises, government, and infrastructure clients like public safety, energy, or utilities. A single on-premises deployment can support up to 200 drones and dogs, and it scales seamlessly as your business grows. It even offers a broader OpenAPI, so you can deeply integrate FlightHub into your current CAD, VMS, SCADA, or command centers to streamline workflow end-to-end. Think of it as a secure data vault. You hold the key, and your team define the route for storage, access, and data retention. So that's the FlightHub on-premises, best fit for organizations with IT team that want to build and manage the system in-house. But what if your team isn't quite ready to deploy and maintain the services, and you just want to do a small-scale POC to see if going on-prem makes all sense? Then you need to look at the FlightHub 2 all-in-one. The FlightHub all-in-one pre-installed with FlightHub 2 on-premises, combining the hardware and software in one box, with minimal setup and maintenance, and your data also stay local. Pretty easy, right? It's great for large enterprises or government teams looking to do a low-cost proof of concept. Just one device can connect to up to 20 drones, covering your testing scenarios. And here's the most unique thing about all-in-one compared to other two. It can establish a fully localized workflow from the drone straight to the management platform. Even with no network, think the deep wilderness, disaster zones, or out at sea. Well suited for emergency response and field deployment. So, to wrap it all up, choose cloud-based FlightHub 2 if you want a fast launch, earlier access to the new features, and minimal IT maintenance. Choose FlightHub on-premises if you require physical data isolation and have the IT setup to support it. Choose FlightHub 2 all-in-one if you want a small-scale POC without heavy IT resource investment. Let FlightHub 2 fit the way your business operates today and grow with you tomorrow.